On a cold, rainy November day, we went into the woods with our Canon 5D Mark III and EF 100mm f2.8 macro lens. Our goal was to capture stunning close-ups of pine needles with water droplets. Conditions were difficult, cold and wet, but the results were exactly what we hoped for.
Burr, 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 burr.
Burr?
It's cold.
It's cold. Denise is like under her hood. You can't even see her face because her hood's coming down.
How's that?
That's good. Well, it's not good weather out here. It's pouring rain. It's cold. It's at that time period where it's like not fall anymore, but not quite winter. Mm-hmm. And every time you look out, you think, oh my gosh, a blizzard is about to erupt.
Mm-hmm. It feels it.
Yeah, it's very, very
Chilly.
chilly. So it's a perfect day for something hot.
Absolutely.
What kind of hot thing do you think we should have?
How about if we have some hot tea?
Made out of
White pine.
big old white pine. We're going to cut this big tree down and we're going to grind it up and make some tea. Nope. But some nice white pine needle tea with a little bit of honey.
Yep,
Seems like just what the doctor ordered for a day like today.
absolutely.
So that means it seems like a good time to bring out a weather-sealed lens because it's kind of damp. Mm-hmm. And a weather-sealed camera because it's kind of damp and cold. Mm-hmm. And maybe get some macro detail shots.
That would be cool. I love macro detail.
Yeah. So Denise is going to pick a few white pine needles to turn into tea. Mm-hmm. And one of us or both of us will take some macro shots using another classic DSLR, 5D Mark III.
Ooh, okay.
Canon 5D Mark III.
Okay.
And we'll put the 100mm macro on it.
Sounds good.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go.
Well, we're walking out into the woods. It's wet.
Rainy.
Got the 5D Mark III. Hopefully we know what we're doing with the Insta360. Somehow the settings got messed up and it's not exactly right. Don't fall in a hole, honey. Wait, that's a theme of our videos. Honey, don't fall down. Watch your step.
Well, I guess sometimes I do fall.
The picture on this video might get a little dark. We're going into the woods now.
Yeah.
And it's a little darker in here. That's okay. It'll be just like reality then.
Yep.
Keep going, sweetie. I'll follow you.
Okay. Don't trip over the branches.
Look at how beautiful all the balsam fir is today in here with the rain coming down.
I know.
We're looking for a white pine. I think I see one right up ahead.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh, okay, so I've got to go through these
You
branches.
get to navigate through the branches.
Let's show everybody. So this is where I got to go through.
Yep.
Right through here.
Yep.
Oh, don't stand too close to me because I don't want these branches hitting you. Maybe I should have had it facing me. Okay.
There it is.
Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Ooh,
Well, look at the water droplets on there.
yeah.
Think I can get a macro photo of that?
I think you can.
Okay. Well, I'm going to set my camera to, well, the lens has 3 focus settings. It has full focus, which is a little slow. It has half meter to infinity, which speeds it up but doesn't allow you to get close focus. And then it has 0.3 meters to 0.5 meters, which is really your macro setting. So I'm going to put it on that. And because I'm going to be moving, I don't have this on a tripod, and the tree is moving in the wind, I've got it on AI servo, which the initials look like Al Servo. So Denise always calls it Al Servo. So I've got the autofocus on Al Servo for this. and it really is bouncing around in the wind. Even Al Servo's having trouble. Alright, so I need to change my exposure because I'm very much underexposed for this. And so that is still underexposed at ISO 640. Still underexposed even at 1/100th of a second shutter speed f2.8. We're going to have to use a fairly high ISO on this. So this is properly exposed now at ISO 1600 on the 5D Mark III. That's an interesting shot, I think. There, I think that's going to be kind of interesting to look at. Now, a modern mirrorless camera is obviously going to have a much better autofocus than this. This actually has a little bit of trouble trying to keep that in focus while it's bouncing around in the wind, but it's something. Denise, you want to try a couple shots?
Sure.
You love macro.
I love macro. Oh boy, huh?
So Denise is now picking some needles.
I'm getting really wet with the dripping on me. There we go.
Let me get a little tighter on that. How's that look? How's that smell work? Do it again. So those are going to make some good tea.
Oh.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Well, I think we got a few photos. This is really difficult to do out here in the cold, rain, and the wind, the tree moving around. But this is a great lens. Look how wet it is. Good thing it's weather sealed. But we should go get this dried off and see if we got any photos.
Sounds good.
You want to lead us through the woods again, dear?
I will.
Look at that beautiful birch tree. That's a really nice big birch.
Way up there. Way up there.
We have a lot of birch trees. I wonder if we should tap them next spring for birch sap and mix birch syrup.
Ooh, I would like that.
Yeah. We don't have as many maple trees for people. You know, a lot of people around here make maple syrup. Our woods doesn't have a lot of maple trees. We got a lot of white birch though. Woods does look beautiful right now. Well, should I get a picture of that mushroom growing on the side of that tree?
Sure.
That's not bouncing around in the wind.
blustery, like Winnie the Pooh.
We recorded that.
Oh.